for maximum aroma and flavor retention. Nothing beats the Capresso Infinity Conical Burr grinder series. Computer-controlled special grinding heads cut the angles and shapes of the steel burrs to within 0.1 mm precision. Burrs are produced as matched pairs and are hand-assembled in Switzerland for a precise fit. The multiple gear motor produces the slowest grinding action at 450 revolutions per minute, resulting in the highest precision grinding from Turkish fine to percolator coarse. This is the quietest burr grinder you will ever use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Bundle includes Capresso 565.05 Infinity Stainless Steel Conical Burr Grinder with Capresso East Coast Blend Whole Bean Coffee 16 ounces. Medium roast. And Herald Import 726S coffee measure. Number 2. Infinity Conical Burr Grinder. The multiple gear motor produces the slowest grinding action, resulting in the highest precision grinding from Turkish fine to percolator coarse. Number 3. Features. This grind can be set to grind from 5 to 60 seconds and can pulse grind as well. Commercial-grade solid conical steel burrs hand-assembled in Switzerland provide high-precision grinding of your coffee. Number 4. Grind and fineness settings. Clearly marked fineness settings, 4 each for extra fine, fine, regular, and coarse. A total of 16 settings. Number 5. Capacity. See-through bean container holds up to 8.8 ounces of beans. The tight-fitting ground coffee container holds up to 4 ounces of ground coffee, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.